Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open the Play Store or App Store and install Parallel Space now. Grant the requested permissions for storage, contacts, and phone access. Tap Add Apps, choose WhatsApp, and confirm to clone the app into Parallel Space. Create a new WhatsApp profile or sign in with a separate phone number. Use the built-in switch to toggle between the original and cloned WhatsApp easily. Enable parallel space optimization to reduce background battery use on your device. Backup chats in each account independently to prevent data loss or mix-ups. Open the cloned WhatsApp inside parallel space to begin phone number verification. Enter a separate SIM number or use call verification on your second device. Restore from a separate backup only if it belongs to the matching phone number. Configure privacy settings, profile name, and display picture for the cloned account. Set distinct notification tones and wallpaper to avoid confusing the two accounts. Verify WhatsApp web separately if you plan to use the cloned account on desktop. Test sending messages and media to confirm the clone works and syncs properly. Manage notifications inside parallel space settings to ensure alerts arrive reliably. Grant auto start and ignore battery optimizations for parallel space on Android devices. Monitor storage use. Cloned WhatsApp stores media separately and can use several hundred megabytes. Uninstall the cloned app from parallel space to remove the secondary WhatsApp without affecting the original. Keep parallel space updated to maintain compatibility and security with WhatsApp changes. If issues occur, clear parallel space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.